Guys, I will making a thought on how to color the tabs thingy. Anyways, go to settings. Of course, we're gonna turn on tabs in my phone's percentage there. Now go to general management. I don't know if it works for Samsung. I don't know if it works for other devices or something. Now go to mouse and trackpad. Go here. And there, you're done. I prepare purple. Anyways, I'm gonna change it blue. Big. Small. Yeah, that's all. Bye. Wait. 1, 2, 3. You know the words, so sing along with me.